G'day, Tom here, Legacy Toolworks. Today on the learning curve we have 12mm plain rebar spikes. So these will be used for, I can imagine, tent pegs or an oar spike, something if you need a 12mm hole in a piece of whatever. So I'm coining today as 1 hour project day. So I've got 1 hour to try and finish off this project as much as possible. Testing speed and accuracy. Let's see how I do. There's 3 of these bad boys to make, plus a sheath. So let's crack into it. Come on! Sheath time! You know my favourite practice sheath making timber? Queeler. Let's give it a go. Oh no. This is an epic failure, but a learning lesson. See what I mean? Huge fail. Oh, that's it. All right, that's all I got time for. Here's what I got. All right, so how did we do? Well, we actually made something. Okay, so the spikes themselves, they are incredibly rough. The spike end, as you can probably see there. Don't know if the camera can pick it up, but that's the last one there. Okay, so sheath, absolute trash, right? It's not up to standard, of course, being such a rushed project. 1 hour to use, 1 hour for your time is not a lot to make something decent. So the point of this video was not to make something pretty or not to make something refined or anything like that. What the point was is to learn as many lessons as possible within a short space of time. In this case, 1 hour. So the sheath itself doesn't hold them in too tightly, okay? But for what it is, it serves a purpose, okay? This is not something to carry on you or take into the field wherever you're going. This is just an exercise saying, hey, can I actually do this? I want to try something new, deal with a tubular shaped spherical pipe kind of tool and make something of it. And I thought, why the hell not? I'll challenge myself, give myself an incredibly short space of time and see what I can do. Put myself under the pump, under pressure, and make something happen. I managed to get 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3 onto the sheath. I didn't get to that one. This is yeah, quite a learning lesson in what you can do in a short space of time, but it's been an absolute pleasure taking you along this journey, especially today, so thanks for coming with me. In future episodes, I would like to do more short space and time tools. This was a 1 hour project, maybe a 2 hour next time, or a 3, or I could do another 1 hour project. Let me know what you think in the comments, or you can email me. Knees are getting sore. At legacytoolworks@gmail.com. That's all lowercase, all one word, as it sounds. legacytoolworks@gmail.com. If you feel so inclined, like and subscribe, share it about. Yeah, it's just been really fun. Of course, this was a huge fail, but I see this kind of failure as a learning curve. Realistically speaking, I couldn't have made a hell of a lot in 1 hour, but this is what I came up with. So yeah, I think it's time to go. Alright, so as always, keep creating and I will see you in the next episode. Ciao for now. Cuphead? No, I don't want Cuphead, I want Hexhead.